The Brooks Center and the choral program at Clemson University are proud to announce the second annual Sounds of the Season concert, presented by the Delores St. Clair Wright Christmas Show Endowment. This virtual concert will be available beginning at noon on Sunday, December 6th, as a gift to the entire community throughout the holiday season.
Our concert will feature performances by all 6 choral ensembles, as well as solos from our faculty and students.
We also want to thank Dr. and Mrs. Wright for supporting this performance. We couldn't do it without you. This has been a difficult year, and we hope this concert brings everyone together. Happy holidays from all of us at the Brooks Center.